Hello, Mr. Rishi. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Liana.
Hello,
Nice to
Mr.
hear from
Rishi.
you.
How are you doing?
And I'm fine,
I'm great.
Liana. Nice to hear from you. And I'm great. In
Great.
fact,
That's
I am at Daman for a professional assignment, and
wow.
yeah, some trainings on artificial intelligence and little bit on technology part. I'm giving a coaching assignment, coaching sessions to some of the leaders over here.
That's nice to hear. Since you did speak about AI, and I have seen you have been putting a lot of LinkedIn posts also related to artificial intelligence. So, what is the latest happenings in AI?
In fact, AI every minute it is changing, Liana. And the latest one, which I was reading the news today morning only, it was primarily on uh, Elon Musk's message that is on Grok AI, and Grok AI is something which attracted my attention because I've been researching on and working on other platforms, be it Bing or Bard or Chat GPT. But this one is something different, and I find that although it may not be fully available in India, but uh, pricing wise, it is going to be a little lesser. And most importantly, which I liked about it is the way it answers the queries. It's in a witty and somewhat rebellious tones. That is how I think it mentions, as you can see on the screen, that if somebody says that I want a recipe of homemade cocaine, it says obtain chemistry degree and DEA license. That clearly talks about the witty part of it, and of course the last part is start cooking and hope you don't blow yourself up or get arrested accordingly. So it is adding humor part and little sarcasm also in it. How did you like about this one?
I think it's great. The generation that we are from, we do have a little revenge, a little sarcastic comments, which is part of us, ingrained in us. So I think this tool is for people like us. Very rightly.
Yeah. How have you using this AI platforms, Liana, in your life, personal or professional?
Yeah, even I have been using AI for content creation or when it comes to drafting different contents, comparing my content or getting critiques from it. In fact, in terms of idea generation, I think AI tools helps me to get new ideas how I can, implement something or use a particular topic. So that is something that's been very, very useful for me.
Yeah. In fact, my team also, my particular training L&D team also helps team members, associates to work on the content generation and refining their communication, particularly. But because we have got sales guys, we got our HR guys, our manufacturing guys. So everywhere the use of AI communication tools plays a lot of difference, and particularly if you have to simplify the sales lingo or language to the customers, or in case there is a USFDA audit, how I can prepare my team members with respect to smarter communication. These are some of the ways with respect to smarter communication AI can help us out. What do you think?
Absolutely, absolutely. So this actually reminds me of a thing that I have heard related to AI. So
Mhm.
if what is a large language model called where you load it up with a lot of cat videos? Could you guess this?
Cat videos. Oh, frankly speaking, I don't remember anything like if I load it with cat videos, I am not able to connect. What is it exactly?
A large language model that is trained a lot on cat videos would be called a perfect machine.
Perfect, perfect. Very nice. I also have a question for you.
Okay.
What is LLM or large language model, which is influenced by Shakespeare called?
Shakespeare. Hmm,
Yeah.
interesting.
And I believe you use it very extensively. You think about it, you can guess it very smartly.
Chat GPT?
Near to that, alternative of it,
Bard.
yes, bingo.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Great. So we just spoke about perfect and how we want things to be very accurate. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
how can we use AI tools perfectly?
There are multiple use cases of AI. If I have to answer it, one of the examples which we conduct extensive trainings is on use of AI, particularly smartly use Excel. Okay. Analytical skills. So in Excel, there are various tools like VLOOKUP or pivot tables, but everybody is not that smart enough like me to you master these art on putting formulas. Uh, GPT or BARD, it helps us to create those formulas. It helps us to, create VLOOKUP or pivot tables. And if you are properly trained, you can easily use all these tools and without knowing the knowledge of the formulas and other things. And artificial intelligence can very make your work smart and make you smarter also. Besides this, I can give you another example. mm, uh, Recently, one of my graphic designer had resigned, and we were all worried at how will we create those designs, particularly from this part of you. So, as you can see over here, I'm not showing the internal designs, but using artificial intelligence, we were able to create awesome designs, and it was highly appreciated by everyone. And these are some of the examples from the open source, but I'm not sharing with you the created examples. I can always share with you when anybody wants to connect with me personally.
That's great. That's great that you all have used it for so many different places.
Yeah. And I hope you have gone through the recent post on LinkedIn also, which I posted,
Yes,
uh, which wherein I created a video, particularly giving a summary of the post of the conference. This is the summary of the conference which I recently attended. And this video I created just in about 30 minutes, and it was highly appreciated. People were calling me up. How did I create it? What is the methodology? What is the process? And I believe in train the trainer concept. And all my team members, they are more smarter than me, and they are more creative than me. They can create these such videos, and we are trying to pass it on to all departments, be it marketing, be it sales, be it R&D, so that they can create explainer videos, they can create marketing videos, they can create mode of action videos and other aspects.
wonderful, wonderful. Let's hear a little about the video.
Uh, Voice is not coming, no problem at all. We can put the link in the chat box, and people can watch it at later.
Sure, sure. I also thinking about this innovative way that you've used for the conference. I remember I had used, seen some use cases where ChatGPT was used by graphic designers to understand how is it that they can improve their, interior designs and how can they make this particular room look better. I have also seen people painters using ChatGPT to improve their painting, make it more realistic, and it gives you specific details about what the painting stroke should be, what the background, the eye reflection should be. And that would be very, very helpful. So people are using AI in various different use cases.
Very
And we've
interesting.
just seen a few
Very,
examples.
very interesting. I
I
think, is there other ways one can use Chat GPT or other AI tools creatively?
I think some of them you have already mentioned. I think to add to that would be PowerPoints is one areas where you can use uh, AI tools, content generation, people are already doing coding, also people are using AI. So those are some of the areas that I have seen people are actually practicing using AI. But I remember you had written a book how to about your book, and I think that is a very interesting book which talks about how in the pharma industry digitally is not that enabled. So I want you
It
to
is
just
Are You a
understand.
Digital Dinosaur? I remember.
Yes, yes. So I wanted to know if in that book you've mentioned any aspects on AI, etc.
Yeah, there is a complete chapter. I think last chapter is there. Second last chapter is there, which talks about the use of AI, ML, advanced analytics, and how it is going to be a game changer. Since it was written 2 years ago, the cases of Chat GPT and Bard are not there. But I think it mentioned that it is going to be a game changer, and people should definitely learn about it. And today, I think those people who are learning these skills, they are going to be masters of their careers. Particularly, this message I'm giving it to the mid and senior level leaders. You should definitely keep yourself updated on this. And I'm coming out with the next book because there was a lot of request from the market. The name is very aptly kept. Are you still a digital dinosaur? Special mention on still, because people just talk about it and don't learn about it. Right? So just keep looking on this space, and I will definitely announce my next book shortly.
We're definitely waiting for it, Mr. Rishi.
Are you an avid book reader, or are you just on mobile only normally?
I am more of a mobile person, not a very avid reader. But I think if it's a book that speaks about something that is very relatable, I would end up finishing the book.
Sure. And I mean, no compulsions, of course.
Like you spoke about, the senior leaders learning about these tools. We all know that there's a big digital divide that, separates the younger people who are more used to or tech savvy per se and the other individuals.
Yes.
So what do you think about this digital divide that exists?
Uh, Digital divide, I will say it in a two parts. One is the physicality part of it, that is the reach of AI to the various places. But then because of internet in India, it's so economical that it has reached every nook and corner of the country. And I think we can see every age group people working on mobile, on Instagram or whatever tools it is there, and use their AI tools. But at the same time, I will specifically like to mention the age group of 50 to 60 years, and especially I like to give a background of it, that earlier the retirement age was 60 years, still it is 60 years, but earlier the lifespan was 60 years. Today, lifespan has gone to 90 years. So that very important age group of 60 to 70 years is getting wasted as a resource. So what I've done is, along with my friends, community, we have started a free certification course, which is called 50 is New Youth. And for that, we are certifying all people, anybody who approaches us from the organization. 50 is New Youth. It's a 3 to 4 hours of workshop with the certification given to them. And we train them on Chat GPT, AI, and making other tasks automated accordingly. I mean, details I can give in case somebody contacts me accordingly. And you're welcome to contact me. I mean, these are serious things. I mean, let me ask you a very simple, naughty question. That why was computer cold? Tell me, why did my computer get cold?
Because it's with a cool person like Mr. Rishi.
Because I left the windows open.
Oh, good one there, good one. I think since we're speaking about computers and cold, I remember something that we can use right now.
Yeah.
So we are talking about getting cold. So how does a computer get drunk?
Computer get drunk. Now, this is a difficult one. Can computer get drunk? I can't pour whiskey or vodka on computer.
Definitely not.
It's a tricky one, I suppose. Well, I'm in Daman, so you can see the beach over here. So there's an ideal place to get drunk. Okay, can you see the beach
Yeah.
over here? Yeah,
Yes, definitely.
but I'm waiting for the right answer. Why do the computers get drunk?
Because it takes too many screenshots.
Very nice, nice one. You got me on this one. Good, good.
Great.
Thank you very much, Liana.
Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Rishi. Have a nice day ahead.
Yeah, thank you for this nice discussion, and hope we continue with this discussion very soon.
Yeah.
As
Hope.
my most of the messages end with live life balle balle. So keep on enjoying.
Thank you so much for tuning in to the AI Chat Lounge.
Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
You too. Bye.
Bye.